Over there is the Seoul Tower. It is also connected to the Seoul City Wall. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For this video, I will introduce you to Hyehwa-dong in Seoul, South Korea. So this building is called Ilho or 001 building. It is built and it is designed by a famous Korean architect. So it has a marker, Seoul Future Heritage, the Ilho, or the former Saemteo building. So it was built in the late 1970s, 1978, 1979. So it's a beautiful red brick building. From my reading, I learned that Saemteo building, the original name of this building, used to house the first coffee shop in Seoul. So now Starbucks is here. So to come to Hyehwa, you just need to take the subway train, the blue line. There's a Hyehwa train station. Now this next building looks similar to the first one. Alright, you could notice so many red brick buildings. This one is also designed by the same architect that built the 001 building. This is the Arts Theater. So built in 1981, a few years after Il was built. So it is also a Seoul Future Heritage Site, as marked with this marker. And this space here is called the Marrioner Park. It is a public plaza. It's called Marrioner Park because of this big Marrioner trees. So look here, it says box office and welcome to Daehangno. Daehak means university, and it is called University Street because the original location of the Seoul National University was here, as shown in this display. This is the original site of the Seoul National University here. Seoul National University Monument. So you could screenshot this if you want to read the history. Currently now, the Seoul National University has moved to the Gwanak district. So we'll continue our walk. We intend to go up the Naksan Park and see the Seoul City Wall in that area. Around here there are many theaters like this red brick building and many other small theaters. Like this guy is selling tickets for the shows because this area is popular for small theater performances. It's like maybe, I imagine, off-Broadway. So they are lining up to get tickets. So it's a popular area for young people. I have seen 2 shows here. Oh, in this building, CJ Azit, the children of Filipinas married to Koreans. They were trained by Irish Park and they had a show there around 2 years ago, I believe. And then my other show was courtesy of the Itaewon Global Village Center. It is a Korean show, but they had English subtitles, so we were able to understand the show. So around there are many coffee shops, restaurants. So as long as you have money, you'll never go hungry in Seoul. I guess anywhere else in the world. And now we're trying to find the way towards the Naksan Park. The Brew Lab Genuine Bali Coffee. Okay, I remember this. I've been here before, so this is the correct way that will take us to the park. Look at the kid walking backward. Another coffee shop. Alright, it says here Ihwa-dong Mural Village is 450. So we are now here in Naksan Park and snow is beginning to fall. There's a frozen water and we still need to go up there to get to the Seoul city wall. So we made it here. These are the Seoul city walls. And an ominous dark cloud is looming to give us more snow and rain tonight. So the Seoul city wall goes around the city of Seoul. It is connected to the city walls in Namsan, the one that was featured by Drew Arellano in his TV show, Daehangno. So here from the ancient Seoul city wall in Hyehwa-dong, South Korea, this has been Jeg Certeza, and I hope you like this video. If you want to see more video updates, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell for future updates. Thank you guys for watching and keep safe. God bless you all and have a good day.